Hey guys, welcome back again, and today we'll be learning on how to create our own virus part 2. So if you haven't watched part 1, go and watch it. So if you have already, let's start. So first thing is objectives. So what your virus will be doing. Will your virus delete a file, replace a file, edit, cut, copy, paste a file or whatever it is. So mine will edit the host file. So if you don't know, much of the people don't know what a host file is, and some of them even don't even know that it exists on their computer. So if you are running a Windows machine, I think host file are even on Mac, but I don't know where it's located. On Windows, it is on cprompt system32, cprompt Windows system32, etc drivers etc. Now host as far as I can remember, of host file will help you redirect from one website to another or block a website. Now, testing. Testing. So, what is testing? Testing is after you create your own virus or a program, you need to test in order to check if it has any bugs or not. So, mine will be 100% bug free, and I'm sure about that. Compiling exe for Windows. I don't know for what are for Mac, but exe are for Windows. And the last will be don't be a douche. Now you can, of course, creating a virus is very easy, but creating your own harmful virus and uploading it on the internet, spreading it, won't be a mature thing to do. Now let's start. Echo off isn't really necessary, but it depends on you if you want to do it or not. Now let's type in cd cprompt slash windows slash system32 slash drivers slash etc. Now this is the directory, I suppose. Yeah, it is the directory where the host file is located. Now delete the host file and replace the host file with some new text. Let's see if someone has already created a fake Facebook page. Someone has already, or I don't know what that is. Let's paste and host. Now, so what happens? I have already explained you here. Now what happens here is it will change directory to this directory. It will delete a file named host. If the file name host doesn't exist, it will just skip the command or gives you an error. It will just copy this command and paste it on a new file named host. So let's save it as virus.bat. Okay, so we are good to go, I suppose. Let's check the properties. Compatibility, details, security, previous versions. Okay, now we are working on system32, and system30 and every action you do in system32 will be will need will have to be as administrator. So if you want to delete a file from system32, you need to be administrator to do that. Now I wouldn't recommend you to mess with the host file, but if you are a bit familiar with the file, you can, yeah, you can do it. But yeah, let's first of all, before we run this program, we need to back up the host file because it will be kind of a mess to just again type in all the thing. So yeah, let's run it. Did it really work? So something is wrong here. So what is it? Let's check the error. So why isn't this working? Now let's pause the file and see what the problem really is. Okay, so the host file wasn't. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Okay, let's try to run that again. So access is denied, but the file was deleted. Okay, so file isn't deleted now. Now if I run it, it says access is denied, access is denied, access is denied. So what does that mean? Like I said before, every action you make should be, you need to be the administrator for every action you make on the folder named system32. So you need to run it as administrator. If I run it as administrator, bam, it only says press any key to continue. Now what happens is that action has already took place. Now the host file, here it is. Let's double click on it. Let's open it. Now look here, what happens. Now the real trick isn't this. The real trick is here. So look here. Here is google.com, and bam, I went to Facebook. So I'll try that again. Google, back to Facebook. So what happened? Now, so since the host file has been edited, every time you try to go to Google, you will be redirected to facebook.com. The IP here is of Facebook. This is the IP of facebook.com, and this is the website named google.com. So for example, whenever you would type in google.com on your browser, you will be taken to this IP address. Simple as that. Now let me restore the file because I don't want that to happen in my computer, and if someone I had been infected by this virus, I would really be frustrated. And yeah, now if you go to Google, you will be taken to Facebook. So in order to prevent that, try restarting your browser. And if it does not work, try typing in google.com.ncr, and it shall work from now. It's working now. So yeah, that's how you do it. Now if you have any problem regarding this video or this virus, oh, I forgot the last part. So before I said compiling. Now to compile a batch file into exe, you need to download a program named bat2exe. Now here you can compile the file. Virus. Now here are few advanced options for you. So if you want to run the program invisibly, you can click this. Temporary files, delete exit, add administrator manifest, override existing file. Now this is it, compile, and here it comes. Now I've already showed you what the virus can do now. So if you double click on it, you will get a pop-up saying, do you want to run this program as administrator? Let me click no on that because I've already showed what the virus can do. Now take a good look at this. So yeah, if you have any problem with this video, contact me and I will give you the solution I have. So thanks for watching guys, and peace.